Hey guys, Lieutenant Curious here today. I am here with LEGO Star Wars Mini MOC number 49 on the planet of Patitite, Pattuna. Now, this planet is quite weird, and it was actually in the Clone Wars in Season 4, so in the TV show series, and in the episode, R2-D2 and C-3PO actually crash landed on the planet, since they were the central group in the episode. So they traveled through on this planet and ran into a very weird species, very like miniature species. I did not include them in this mini mock. I basically just made them walking through here as they are lost on the planet, just to include a cool rock structure and all of the cool vegetation and plants that this planet has. So yeah, let's get into that awesome overhead view. Alright, so as you guys can see, this mini mock once again is on a 32 by 32 base plate. And as you can see, there is a upper level with a rock structure that is 6 bricks tall, and then down here we have an elevation of 1 brick with a small elevation with 1 brick high rock structure on this side. And then we have a base color of dark tan pathway, pretty simple, running right through there, which C-3PO and R2-D2 are going on. So you can see that the 2 base colors in this terrain are dark green and reddish brown, both up here and down there. And you can see, as I will tell you guys, there are a lot of colors in this terrain. So, let's get right into it. Alright, so like I said, the 2 base colors in this terrain are dark green and reddish brown. So basically this planet's terrain is a kind of a swamp, but also has a lot of very interesting vegetation that I added to this. So basically there's a lot of vegetation and fungi on the planet's surface, so I added quite a few of those and tried to make them like they were in the episode on the planet. So I have some of these plants here that are basically just those black pieces, and then they have these curly stems coming right off of them. I don't know exactly what to call those. And then right here we just have some black and dark bluish gray cylinders, and then have these what are supposed to be bulbs in just light trans blue studs at the top. And down here we have some cylinders and cones in black and navy blue with some light trans blue studs on those as well. And as you can see, there are a lot of layered colors in this terrain, which include, once again, reddish brown, dark green, and then also dark brown, olive green, medium lavender, sand blue, dark red, but that is also in this terrain. Just a lot of really cool colors, and I thought that I would do this planet because I'd like to do really unique terrain, and I usually find unique terrain from Legends, but I found a canon planet actually in the Clone Wars, so I thought I would build it. You can see there's a lot of olive green stem grass and Seleucami Battle Pack stem grass in here. And then I actually added all 3 of my, only 3, of my lavender stem grass. Here's one here, and there's one up here by the pathway, and one on the higher level that I will show you guys in a little bit. And as you can also see, there are 2 little swampy areas here with just some trans green 1x1 tiles and a couple plates. And then there's another one right over here. And you can see more of these cool plants and vegetation. Right here we actually have some of these, what I call disc pieces in 2x2, and there's also a 3x3 disc with some trans light blue studs on top of that. And as you can see, there is a lot of colors, like I already said, in this terrain. Like there's that medium lavender that I thought would be a really nice addition to this really cool terrain. I got the idea to make this plant as soon as I saw the episode, and that was to use, this is supposed to be some kind of wheel thing for a Lego set, and I basically just put some of the bulb pieces, which are actually, once again, light bluish gray, light trans blue studs, and then a dark tan stem going right into the ground. And there are also some appendages in dark green and black, as well as some appendages along the ground to add some roots and vines on the ground as well to add some more nice detail. And now we get to the pathway over here. Here's another nice angle of that really cool terrain. And as we get over here, where I started the video, there's this pathway that has a base color. It's a very small pathway, pretty skinny. It has a base color of dark tan, like I said, and has some reddish brown in there as well. Probably the most simplest thing of this mini MOC. And you can see there is C-3PO once again, and R2-D2 looking to his side. And as we get up here, you can see more of this cool terrain with a nice patch of medium lavender right there. Dark green, olive green. As we get over here, dark brown, dark red, more olive green, brown, dark green, a nice big patch of dark brown, that lavender stem grass piece. And then I actually added some patches of sand blue cheese slopes for just a nice fungal patch. And I do like the color sand blue quite a lot. And this piece of vegetation is actually pretty close to exactly the type of plant that was well known to be on the planet and quite common. It is a very tall plant, and it actually has these kind of disc things that there are two of them that kind of come off to the side of it. And I thought this turned out really nice and looks quite similar to the ones in the actual episode. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy all of this vegetation and the terrain. And as we get here, there is another one of these plants as the other one is right down there. And then we also have some of these stacked cone 2x2s, I think are what they are called. And you can also see some nice cheese slopes here and there. And here's a nice view of the rock structure with some snot included in it. Just a little bit. So yeah, now I will get to letting you guys go. Alright guys, that's about it for LEGO Star Wars Mini MOC number 49 on the planet of Patitite, Pattuna, or however you pronounce it. I've been having trouble with that. But besides that, be sure to check out my Instagram for daily behind the scenes updates on all of my builds. Be sure to leave a like on the video to help me out, and subscribe for some more awesome LEGO Star Wars content if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you next time.